Hey YouTube, it's your girl Takisi Lachey back with another video, and today it's gonna be a little vlog with me. So let me tell you what's on my to-do list. So today I need to go to the hair store first because I need to go give me some more lip liner. I don't know what my brown lip liner is. Like I bought another brown, but it's not the same brown. It's like a little light type of brown. So I need to go get some lip liner, some lashes from the hair store. I gotta get my car washed. I need to go to Best Buy because I went to the Apple store because my MacBook ended up going black. Like the screen, it just went all the way black. And I'm trying to see what's up with that. Apple said ain't nothing wrong with it, but y'all know Apple just want money sometimes. But I'm about to go to Best Buy because that's where I got my computer from. I'm going to Best Buy to go see what's wrong with it. And if they say the same thing, they usually still be cheaper to get my screen replaced. I'm going apartment shopping again because I'm still trying to decide on what apartment I want to get after like this summer. And then what else I need to do? I'm about to go to Starbucks too after I leave from the hair store. And I gotta go to the mall because I need to find something to wear for Mardi Gras. So yeah, I really want a denim jumpsuit. I should have ordered it off of Shein or like Fashion Nova, but I know if I order it right now it's not going to make it here in time. So I'm about to go try to find me a little jumpsuit to wear for Mardi Gras. And I think that's it for today. So let's go head to the store. Okay, so I just made it to the little hair store. Hopefully they got oh, it's windy out there. But hopefully they got the little lip liner that I want. Because a lot of the stores that I've been looking at don't have the lip liner that I want. But we're about to see. Okay. Let me see if they got the brown. They got brown. But this not the same kind. These are two different kinds. They got these, but okay. I'm about to get this one. Let me get these two. So I really don't like these kind of. I like the closer kind, but they don't like the color that I want. And I'm getting some lashes. Where is the lashes? So I got these two. I feel like none of the stores down here have the type that I am actually looking for. Oh, they got these down here. Let me see. Yeah, they don't like the color. Okay. I thought the lashes would be where the makeup is. Hey, where y'all lashes at? Y'all lashes? It's over there. Over there? Okay. That's weird though. Their lashes not in the same spot that they makeup in. This is a whole hair. Okay, so these are the only two things I'm getting out of here. Hey. When I go back home, I'm just about to get the lip liner that I actually want. Because I feel like these ain't even the color that I actually need. I'm about to take off this little lipstick, I mean lip gloss that I have on and try to do my lips. So let me set y'all lip up right here. Okay. I feel like I should have made a video when I did my hair, because I just did my hair like 2 days ago. I was thinking of it, and I had already did like 3 videos already, but I was like, they not long enough. I ended up going to the skating rink, but I ain't like how we couldn't really record on the ring. They was like, oh, you gotta turn off your camera. Wait. Okay. Let me see how both of them right. Oh shoot, I still need a brown. I ain't even gonna worry about it right now. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah. This one okay. Yeah, it's not coming out how I wanted to. It barely even did anything. It did some on the bottom, but the top, it's alright. See, this is the one that I like. I like this kind. The thing had it. I don't really like this. I'm just about to put my lip gloss on. Take this off, put my lip gloss on, because I'm gonna probably go to another store. Man, where did I put my lip gloss too? I'm probably just go to another store and see can I find it, because the other 2 stores that I normally go to, they both closed. Okay, so I'm about to go to Starbucks now. About to play with some music. So I see I want some next to Starbucks. Okay, so I pulled up at Starbucks. I'm about to get me a caramel macchiato with extra caramel, because each time I come here, they don't give me enough caramel. Plus the caramel be going to the bottom. It's probably because I be getting the ice too. I don't know. Ooh, braids. I can get a venti caramel macchiato with extra caramel. Iced. That's it. Okay. It is so bright out there. Like, look at that. But I don't know. I need to go get my oil change. It'll be crazy if as soon as I'm about to head back to BR, it hit 15. Cause I don't go nowhere down here. Look at, let me show y'all. Look at all the buildings. It's gonna be looking so nice at night because like all the lights that they be having. Ugh. And we are driving on the interstate, you don't see no type of lights. Just all darkness. But I love my city. I really do. She said my order is like 6 something. I'm gonna make it shake. But look at my skin. Don't wear it for the sun, but look at my skin. I got a bump right here. I have literally been in my dorm 24/7. I do not go nowhere, like nowhere. When I get me a apartment, I'm gonna be so happy because I'm gonna be able to cook. I don't even gotta use no freezer. Like I don't gotta use the microwave as often as I do now. I'm gonna be able to. I want me some fried fish, but I also want some rotel dip. When I go back home, I'm probably going to make me some fried fish, some rotel dip, some jambalaya. I don't know. I know I'm gonna be making stuff. But after I leave from here, I'm probably about to go to Best Buy. And then after Best Buy, I'm gonna look at, like, I have visited like more than like I think like 10 or more apartments already. And I really like the last one we just visited, but I recorded it, but I didn't record it for the video. I don't know. But we went to this little apartment and like it got everything that I like. It got a walk-in closet, and then it got an island in the kitchen, and then they have like shelves on the wall, like already comes with the apartment. That is so nice. Like you could have more storage. The shelves plus the little, you know, the little other stuff that you put up in there, for like under your stuff and all. The kitchen lights, you could dim it yourself. I mean, like all the lights you could dim it, choose like how bright you want it and all. It was really nice. I liked it. But if I don't get that one, I'm really still looking, because I don't want to be like, oh, I'm gonna get this, but you know. Oh, I should have got me a cake pop. Dang. That's all I got was a cake pop? Okay.
$6.44 is your total. Select an option on the screen. Did you need a straw for today?
Yes, sir. Y'all tap don't work?
Oh, the tap was working on the last card again. There you go. And you can go ahead and move that. Awesome. Thanks.
You too. Okay. So I got a little caramel frappe. I almost said caramel frappe. I'm thinking about McDonald's. I got my little caramel macchiato. Okay. Somebody hit the Best Buy. I'll see y'all once I get to Best Buy. Okay, so I just made it to Best Buy. It is so windy outside, but you have to see as they go. Hey, I was trying to see. I go over there for like if something wrong with my computer. Okay.
What's that right there though?
What this?
Oh, you record?
Yeah. This a caramel macchiato. What? Oh, my tripod.
This right here. Yeah.
Oh, I got this from Walmart.
You a content creator?
Oh, I'm trying to.
Okay. What's your Instagram?
No, I think I'm supposed to be over there.
It's not, yeah, it's weird.
So I'm really about to sit down. They got chairs right here. Can't taste too good. I'm happy I asked for extra caramel because normally I don't taste no type of caramel. Look at all the caramel. I'm about to look at the cameras, then come back to over there because I need my camera so I can start vlogging on my phone. And excuse me. Oh, they back there. Okay, but I need me a camera so I can start vlogging on my phone because with me vlogging on my phone, I don't know. It's just something about vlogging on phone versus camera. I miss my little camera that I had, but it's broke. I don't want no big old camera, but they got a Canon a Canon 667G. I think that's what it said. And it says like 6 something. See, like cameras are so high though. Cameras be like $600, $700, $1,000. Like damn. So I just left out of Best Buy. They was like, all I need is my screen replaced. But I don't understand. Like, how did the screen just go black out of nowhere? And what if I get the screen replaced and it's still black? Like, what? But they was like, they ordered the parts from Apple and it's gonna be day 5 something plus the shipping fee. So they said it'll be best to go get it replaced at Apple, and that is high, $500 some to get a screen replaced. Like what? But I'm about to go look at. I'll be taking screenshots of apartments to look at. Let me see. I'm probably about to look at 2 today. Okay, so I'm probably about to look at 2 today. I don't know, but I'm about to see which ones I'm about to look at. I'm about to look at my little screenshot list. Dang it. I forgot to ask them to put almond milk in there. Now my stomach about to start hurting. I could feel it. Dang. Oh well. Look at all that caramel at the bottom. Okay, so I got the school that I'm about to visit. I'm about to see how far it is from here. Cause I think this right here from the school, this is like 20 some minutes away. Cause I think that's where my dad ended up getting the little Airbnb at when he came down here for like a couple days before my birthday. Dang, what if none of them, yo, I just remember I am doing this on a Sunday. What if none of them are open? That's going to make me mad. Dang. I don't think none of them are open on the weekends. Yo, okay, that just didn't make me mad. Okay, so I'm just probably about to go to the mall then and go try to find some nowhere. Hopefully I find something because I hate going to malls. They never have nothing. Like, how y'all got all these stores and y'all don't have nothing in there? Probably about to, ain't going to the Galleria. I'm probably about to go to the other one. I think, what it is? Let me see what it is. Okay, it's 27 minutes away. So I'm about to go there. Fingers crossed I find something. Like, oh my gosh, if I don't find something, I'm gonna be so mad. I always wait late. Like, I'm literally going back home on the 9th. That is, and like, that's basically this week. This Saturday. I mean Friday. Yeah, Friday. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's this Friday. I'm going back on the 9th. And I don't got nothing to wear. And Mardi Gras is literally on the 13th. I always do this to myself. Like, why? Well, so I see once I make it to Memorial City. Fingers crossed I find something. I'm going to cry. Okay, so I made it to Memorial City Mall. I'm probably about to go and see Route 21. See do they got it. But if I don't get the jumper, I'll probably get the romper. But I want denim. Whichever one I get, I want denim. So I can either be the jumper, the romper, I don't care. I want the denim one. Hopefully it don't be that cold for Mardi Gras. But I'm about to go in here. I know as soon as I walk in here it's cold because like right next to the right when you coming in they got the little ice skating ring. It was cold in here last time. But this is what I got on. A little crop hoodie with some little jeans. So I gotta see. I'm about to see where is Route 21. If they even have Route 21 in here. Or Forever 21. But I'm about to see about them too. And then, I don't know. Let me show y'all right quick though. That's a lot of ice cream over there. Okay, so to be honest, I feel like they ain't gonna have nothing here that I really want. Like, I really want this jumper. Like, but I'm about to try to see if Route 20, I mean, they got Forever 21 in here. They don't got Route 21. I'm about to see if Forever 21 have it. If they don't have it, I'm just going to have to wait to go to another store because I don't see no other one in here that probably will have it. Because they got Zara and like all these other stores. I don't think they gonna have it. That's like a white store. But I'm gonna go to Forever 21 and then I'm gonna see do like Rainbow or something like that. I'm gonna go to one of them and see do they got it. But if none of them have it, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And this store is big. I literally just got some from Pink and stuff like a couple of days ago, like 5 days ago. But I'm about to walk over there and see where I got it. Okay, so they mall ain't have nothing, and I'm so mad because like, what? But I'm about to try to go to just like the individual Route 21. I mean Forever 21, and see can I find some in there. And that's like close to the school. So that's probably like 20-some minutes away from here. So I'll see y'all once I make it in there. Dang, my car is hot. And then should I go there first? And then after that, I'm going to get my car washed. And then go back to the dorm. And I'll probably go pick up this vlog tomorrow after everything because I still want to go visit them apartments. Okay, so I'm gonna just try to order my stuff from offline. I'm about to go to my dorm and I'm gonna pick up the vlog. No, I gotta go wash my car. I'm about to go wash my car. And I'm gonna pick it up once I make it to the car wash thing. Okay, so I'm at the car wash. Oh, hold on. Okay, so they vacuuming out my car right now. And then, let me show y'all. That's my car. He's vacuuming it out right now. I just basically did like the basic wash. I'm probably gonna get a detail probably like next month because it's about to basically be a year that I had my car. What am I saying yet? It is so windy out here. It's like a regular wash. They go wash the outside, vacuum the inside, and then do a little wipe down. And it came up to like, it's like 31 with you using a card, but if you just using cash, it's gonna be $30. Mallory,
What you want?
turn on your camera right quick. Okay, say hey to the vlog.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, señorita old negra?
Okay, so they bought the. It wasn't that much. He had the vacuum out, and my car is not dirty in the inside, so they just gotta really clean the outside. Cause baby, all that dust and stuff on that car, my edges are turning white. It's turning the color like you. Look at my sexy car behind me though. Let me show y'all how I look and everything. Normally when I get my car wash, I put it in the first, the little first drive-through, but they had already had a car right there, so I just put it to the second one. It's gonna be good. I can show y'all. Wait. What? They not washing it right there. He just vacuumed it.
To the vlog.
You said you want to wait?
Say something to the vlog.
Don't say nothing stupid now.
Not. Hello.
Hold on. Alright, done.
How are y'all doing today? They said that y'all stay to like, you know, good neighbors.
She need help, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know that already. But that's my little best friend. That's my white friend. That's my white friend.
Don't ever say, oh, why I never be at my life.
That's my white friend. We locked in.
Oh, no.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting when I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep.
Okay, so I just finished getting my car washed. They did a good job. Look, yeah, you know, keep it nice.
I see Kristen just in that don't have no.
Keep it nice. I'm about to go to my dorm, so I'll see y'all once I make it to my dorm. Car's over there clean. Look at her. Yeah, but I'm going to the dorm. I don't really gotta make groceries. I just gotta get a couple of things. I'm gonna go do that tomorrow, cause tomorrow is Tuesday. Monday. I have 3 classes tomorrow. I have a 10 o'clock, a 11 o'clock, and I have like a 2. Time to start like at 2:30 class, and I gotta go to both of them. I gotta go to all 3 of them classes because I really don't have to go to yes I do. I gotta go to all 3 because my last class we got a test. I think she said Wednesday, but Monday we gonna be going over like the study guide and stuff. She gonna give us a study guide and we gonna do it, and then I think she said Wednesday we gonna go over it, and then Friday Wednesday we gonna do the test. So Monday tomorrow we're gonna get the study guide and do it, and then Wednesday we're gonna do the test. Because we don't take her class on Fridays. We just take her class Monday and Wednesday. So I'm about to go in this dorm and watch my little show and edit this little portion that I did. And then I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so I ain't gonna record this morning because all I do is go to my class. I'm about to go to my second class, but after that, I'm probably gonna go make some groceries, like get some snacks and stuff, because I don't have no type of snacks. But yeah, I'm about to go to my class. I am about to go look at the first apartment. My chargers keep on tripping. I don't know what the heck wrong with it. They keep on disconnecting from my stuff. But I'll see y'all once we make it to the first apartment. Okay, so I just made it. I just pulled up. I gotta put some lotion on because my hands are ashy. I hope I got lotion in here. I got a little lotion left in here, but my hands are so ashy. They look so white. But they look nice. We'll probably go visit these and visit the ones that's behind us also, because I like how the ones behind us look. Okay, so we got the ones that I had wanted to tour at first, because the other ones, there's like, we gotta wait until 4:30 for opening, but they got like the townhouses and it's so secure and everything. Probably got they got garages and everything. Check out.
And they should be back shortly. All right. No problem. Right.
Oh, this cute.
All right, but this is different.
Oh, I like it. It is cute. And then there's a walk-in shower. Oh, this closet. It is cute. And then they go to the bedroom. It's real big. You like that type of door? The slide though, it's okay. It's not cold. It feels good. It feels so good.
This is 65. You talking about it ain't cold.
My dad and have his house be like 63 ish.
It says 63.
Yeah.
It gives you what now?
I like it though. It's nice. I like this.
When y'all watching.
Yeah, they got them in here too.
So this is one of the small ones, right? So with our one bedrooms, they vary in size, right? You got some people that ain't really into cooking, so they don't need all that.
Oh yeah, I cook. Those down in the kitchen. Oh. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I got this one floor plan that I want to show you from the front to Casey. It doesn't have any carpet in it. But
I like this. And it's good.
yeah, so this is cool, right? So the kitchen's bigger, right? On the side. Right? We're not gonna touch it. This one is a coat closet, right? So you would have a coat closet here, right? And then here, this is your washer and dryer, like what we saw in the other one, right? It's also the fresh paint, so it's all black. Alright, another one pool. This one actually has a little personal patio. This is one of Alright, so you got community patio, and then we have the baño and the closet. ¿Cuántos apartamentos hoy, amigo? ¿Tres hoy? Alright, ¿más hoy o no? La última.
The other ones have more cabinets too.
Yeah. Got it. For my
Yeah, that's what I'm
¿Comiste
saying.
lonche? No. ¿Tienes hambre? Nah, I can see, bro. No. De trabajar, bro. ¿Tienes a familia? Gotcha. Niños? No, so necesitas trabajar muy different than from the ones that we've already seen.
Oh, I like this. I like this one. I like this. And it still got the little lights. Oh yeah, look, it's the. Come on, let's take a picture for my thumbnail. I like this though. Oh, look at the pool. That pool little as hell. Good too. Like people that's not really thinking about, oh, let's go to the pool. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so the first one, it was very nice. I'm gonna put like, this is the second one we visited. The first one is they ended up having like on the 5th floor, they had like high ceilings and all. You could control the lights. It looked so nice in there, and it was so big. But we back at the first ones. About to get a tour because they told us to come back at 4:30. It's like 4:20 something right now. Thanks.
No problem.
And yeah, about to get a tour for them. Coffee. About to make you some coffee.
I'll grab her a bottle of water. Would you like a bottle of water?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have to be right there. I'll come on my laptop and then get started.
I guess over here. This one. What the heck is this? Okay, so we end up touring them. I'm gonna show y'all how the inside looked. The inside looked very nice, but we're about to go look at the other property over the other property because it's a price difference. All right, so we're about to go to the other one, and she said it's not that far from here, so I'm about to put the directions on so I can know where to go, because baby, I don't know where to go. So I'll see how much we make it there. Okay, so we arrived to the second location. It seemed like everywhere we're going they got an Amazon truck outside, like, but this is the second location. It's okay. Let me show y'all.
Here's going to be our fitness center. So the bottom floor is going to be cardio, the second floor is weight room. On the bottom floor, we're going to have 2 stationary bikes, 2 ellipticals, 3 treadmills, a Stairmaster, and a rowing machine. Sorry. And coming up here, when you go upstairs, is going to be the weight room. With the bathroom in here, that way if you're in the gym, you don't gotta go all the way home, or if you're in the pool, you can come inside the gym real quick and use the bathroom in here. Upstairs is the weight room. We're gonna have leg press, Smith machine, rapid free weights, and cable weights, and echelon flat, the pull down, and the leg press. And these are all gonna be available 24/7, completely free of charge. We don't have any even between. And then across the way is gonna be our connected center. You said y'all go to UH, right? Oh, TXU, my bad. I don't know why I heard UH. So up here, this would be good since we do have 3 individual office spaces, 2 high tables, On the left-hand side, we're going to have a conference center as well as a printer. The first 10 pages per month are free, and then it's 10 cents per page after that. This is all going to be available 24/7, first come, first served. And then through here, going to be our pool open every day from 10 to 10, all year round. All right, so this is going to be the A2 floor plan. This one is going to be 811 square feet. This is the partial renovation. The one that I have to go is fully renovated. So the kitchen, you're going to have white core countertops instead of black granite.
Oh, this mirror is nice and big. I like the mirror though. I got a mirror over now. Yeah. Okay, so we just toured it. It's okay, but it's not something I would like. I looked at the reviews. There's like their cars be getting broken into. Somebody said their car. Somebody here said their car. Their house got broken into. I'm like, and then there's like their rims was getting stolen and all. Like, baby, I don't got time for my rim. I come out, my rims are gone. Like, what? But I have to go to the Apple store because my charger, this one, it's starting to act up and I need a car charger. I've been supposed to buy one because my other charger ended up start smoking and like this part got fat and it exploded and everything. But I'm about to go to the Apple store and get me another charger. So I'll see on what time I get to the Apple store. Okay, so I'm at the Apple store. I'm only coming here for one thing. That's a charger. That's it. One thing. Charger. It's still heavy as fuck. I should. Nah, come here for one thing and get my charger and leave. No, I want to get this one or this one. Charger don't need to be that long. I'm gonna get that one. Excuse me. I'm just trying to get this. Yeah. I gotta use Apple Pay though, so hold on a second. Okay, see, little in and out. I don't know why. I don't know why the thing did that for my charger though. But I'm about to go give me something to eat. I'm probably going to Dave's Hot Chicken. That's where I'm probably about to go because I haven't been there in a while. I can't remember the last time I went to Dave's Hot Chicken. I don't know. But I'm about to go to Dave's Hot Chicken and then I don't know if I want to eat there or if I want to go to the dorm and eat. Because if I go to the dorm and eat, I could put my stuff in the air fryer if I want it to be, back hot. I gotta see how far is Dave's Hot Chicken. Let me see if this is gonna work. And put this in my purse. Go put this in my purse. So I can remember to take that one out. Oh, this actually looked longer than the one that I have. I know, they're the same size, same length. Damn. Dang it. They probably can't even take this bag. I need one for the car. I'm about to ask her could she take this bag. She probably gonna say no. I forgot I have to get the one for the car and not the one for my room. I'm about to go back in here and see. If not, I'm just go buy one from the corner store because I'm not about to spend $20-some on another charger just to get another one. I forgot I had to get it from the car and my car don't have. Oh yes, it do. Hold on, what did I buy? I still bought the wrong one. I bought this one. Dang. I'm about to go see. Cause my car, it have the CUSB and I just bought the regular one. Let me go see. Hopefully she be like she could take it back and I won't have to buy another one. But I feel like she's going to say that since I already opened it, I can get another one. I'm just about to go back to the same lady. Okay, thanks. Happily, it wasn't that much I had to do. I just had to, you know, trade it out. I wonder why all my Apple products starting to echo. Not all of them, but my MacBook, I gotta replace the screen because the screen went black. And now in my car, my charger want to start acting up. Look at my sexy thing right there. My car be looking so nice. And then I got it washed yesterday. Y'all seen that in the video. And my tires are still shining because they put the tire shine on when you first get your car washed. I don't know how long the tire shine lasts though. Okay. Now this is the right one. Still full charger. Okay, so I'm about to go to a date. Oh, I almost said Dave & Buster's. I'm about to go to Dave's Hot Chicken. Okay, so I'm leaving the Apple Store right now. I'm going to see y'all when I make it to Dave's Hot Chicken and order my little tenders. Because I haven't had Dave's Hot Chicken in a long time. And I want my stuff to be hot. I know. But I'll see y'all once I get it here. Okay, so I just had don't mind them boozy and then people is out. But I ordered me #1, that's the 2 tenders with the fries and stuff. And I got extra sauce at the dorm from all the other times because they give you buku sauce. They give you buku sauce and they still gonna give me some sauce. So I'm gonna wait on my food and then after I leave, I'm going to the dorm and then I'm gonna go warm it back up. So I'm gonna see y'all once I make it to the dorm. Okay, so I just made it back to the dorm. I'm about to eat my food and watch me a show. So I'm going to start back posting often. So make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. But that's it for this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a video of this down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.